Here is our new camera. This is Insta 360 RS Twin Edition. Actually, it has two lenses which I can interchange for 360-degree shot and 170-degree shot. So one is for wide angle and one for 360. I will use basically this for a moto vlogging. So let's open the packing and see what's inside. Wow, this is what you get in this camera box. One 360-degree lens, one camera module, that is the chip for this camera, and one 4K boost lens. This is the battery. And what's in this? This is the charging cable, USB to Type C. See, this is 360 camera lens which you will use when you are not using 360 module. This is case for your camera. When you set up the complete camera, you have to house in it so it won't wobble or not wear off, that kind of thing. And it has this mounting and these two brackets which I will use to mount it on my helmet. So I have to buy a separate helmet mount, but these will be useful for me. I don't have to purchase separate case for my camera, so that's good. This is the battery module for the camera. This is 360-degree camera lens which I can fit in this module and take 360-degree shot. So basically it is a two type of camera. You don't need action camera like GoPro and 360 X2 or X3 by separately. You can use both the specs in a single module. So I purchased this, and this is 4K boost lens for wide angle shots, and this is core chip. So I think it has the hooks which you can align and just push it. It's completely fit and it is sturdy. It is not big like it will tear off or go off. It is sturdy. And now you can fit your this battery module by these aligning. You can check it is aligned or not. So it is like this. Now by click sound you can check it is fit, and this is the release button. By using this button like this, you can release your module. So it is good. In the reviews I have seen it's a backup of 80-90 minutes, so that's basically good for vlogging. And it's actually it feels premium. It's not a cheap quality, and already it is costly, but it's nice. I will use it in my moto vlogging, and I will make some vlogs. I am just shifting somewhere. I will tell you in next vlogs. So I will show you the best possible clips and shots with this camera. So stay tuned. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe.